Hi friends, in this video I'll going to tell you that how much it will cost for installing the wallpaper designs for our room interior and what are the size of wallpaper and which are the best brands of wallpapers. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel. So let's begin the topic. Wallpapers play a significant role in enhancing the interior of a space. They can create a focal point or add a depth and dimensions to the room. Wallpapers comes in a varieties of colors, patterns and textures, making it easy to match any design to your room. So you can select the wallpaper as per your room interior. So friends, now we will going to know that how much it will cost for installing the wallpaper for our walls. First point is that how much or what is the size of a wallpaper of one roll. Per roll of a wallpaper comes in 9.5 meter is the length and 21 inches is the width. So the total area of roll of one wallpaper is 55 square feet, and the price of a good quality wallpaper starts from 20 rupees to 25 rupees per square feet. Even you will get in 10 rupees per square feet also, but the wallpaper quality will be not good as this 20 rupees wallpaper per square feet. So always select the wallpaper which has a good designs according to your room interior. So friends, now we will know that to install a 10 by 10 wall, how much it will cost. Like the price of a good quality wallpaper starts from 20 rupees to 25. So let we consider as a 20 rupees per square feet, and one wallpaper size is 55 square feet. So if you will multiply with 20 into 55, the price come is 1100 rupees. So one roll of a good quality wallpaper will charge you 1100 rupees. So to install for 100 square feet wall, you require minimum 2 wallpapers of roll. So for one roll 1100 rupees, for two rolls you will charge 2200 rupees. And to install the wallpaper, the labor charges are 9 to 10 rupees per square feet. So if you will multiply with area of the wall, 10 into 100, which is the area of the wall, so it comes 1000 rupees. So the labor charges will be 1000 and the wallpaper charges is 2200. So the total price for installing the 100 square feet wall is almost 3200 rupees. And if you want customized wallpaper which started from 45 rupees to 50 rupees per square feet, so it will cost almost 5 to 6000 rupees for the 100 square feet wall. So it totally depends upon your budget and the selection of your room interior. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, before installing a wallpaper, you should remember some important points like ensure the walls are clean, dry and free of dust. Always fill the cracks, holes or uneven areas and sand them smoothly. Apply a primer especially on a new plaster walls to create a smooth base and improve the adhesive. And choose a material suitable for the room, like vinyl wallpaper are the best wallpapers due to moisture resistance. Consider how patterns align, especially with intricate designs. So always measure the walls to determine how much wallpaper is needed. Include extra for mistakes and pattern matchings. Always recheck the length to calculate the additional material required. Ensure you have enough rolls from the same batch to avoid the color variations, and always use the correct adhesive for the wallpaper type. Ensure the room is moderate temperature and humidity level for easier installation and proper adhesion. Turn off fans or air conditioner to prevent drafts while applying the wallpaper. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to install a good wallpaper designs, and this video will help you to know that how much it will cost for installing the wallpaper designs. So friends, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want more details, you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel, because here you will get the latest and modern interior tips and ideas like living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, exterior wall paintings. So friends, if you like this video, then please like, share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.